Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, my friend, Deputy Secretary for Health, Director CDC Cohen, Prime Cabinet Secretary, senior government officials from both Kenya and the United States of America. It is a profound day for us to be here, meeting here to discuss and celebrate the fruits of our collaboration, especially the Ministry of Health with CDC and the United States of America. Your Excellency, this would not have come at a better time than now. As we sit here, the world is now converging to discuss the international health regulations, to discuss the pandemic treaty. And all this is to build consensus for all members around the globe to be able to prevent, to detect, and to respond to public health emergencies. And that is what we have gone through, Your Excellency, at the Emergency Operations Center. So, Your Excellency, as a country, we have taken the steps of the CDC, and we are now establishing our National Public Health Institute, and it's just to ensure that we are able then to be together with the world as they prevent, they detect, and respond. Infectious diseases do not know geographical boundaries. It doesn't matter whether you're in Kenya or you're in America. COVID taught us the lessons. So it is for us as Kenya, CDC, and the United States of America people to work together to ensure that in future, should we have future threats, then together we are able to surmount that. CDC, I want to say thank you on behalf of the Ministry of Health for the collaboration with Kenya Medical Research Institute that is represented here with the CEO, Professor Songok. You have worked very well with us to build our capacity through the FELTED program. You have worked very well with us to build our research and innovations capacity, and we are forever grateful. How do I see the next steps, Your Excellency? We now have a baby, the National Public Health Institute. Our success will be measured on how we collaborate and ensure the National Public Health Institute is able to respond to emergencies as they occur. Today we are going to find a future where we work together to ensure that we protect our people. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Health Minister. So to set the stage for